Hello, my name is Nisha, and this video is a quick demonstration of how I use a Helix hair fork. My hair is type 4, and I do have it flat ironed natural. So here you see me twisting my hair in a bun. My press is about a week old, and I'm taking my Helix hair fork that I bought from Furnival's workshop on Etsy, and I'm just showing you the motion of how I screw it right into my head. I don't have to do any special tricks or techniques. It just screws right into my bun. And my bun, the ends there, they're gonna fall down. But even with that, you can see that the bun is secure in place no matter how I shake my head. These forks will hold my hair in place all day. It screws out just as easily as it screwed in. So I'm going to show you another example of me twisting it in from the top down and tucking that little piece that was hanging out. You can make it as neat or as messy as your style likes, but it twists right in. I'm going to shake my head again just so that you can see how secure it is. And I'm going to show you another example of me twisting it in the left side of my head. I'm right-handed, but I can also twist it in the left side of my head. I would just change the direction that I twist it in so that it just applies to my head. Now there I'm running into a little bit of resistance in my hair, so that's why I wiggled a little bit so that I could just twist it in without it breaking or snagging my hair at all. But it's twists in just fine. Going to show one more example, me twisting it out, and then I'm going to twist it from the bottom up, and it'll twist in securely just the same. Now in some of my videos where I have pressed hair, you may see that my nape is bushy, or the perimeter around my front edges are bushy. I will just take texture tamer, edge control, or gel, and I'll slick my edges just to make it a little bit more neat. I don't ever repress my edges or my nape after I press my hair initially. When I press my hair once, I keep it that way for the entire month. If you do like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. I do plan on making a few more about my hair.